can tell it's a Stitch Fix day. Hi everyone, it's Barbara. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Stitch Fix. All right, so with Stitch Fix this time, I had requested spring, transition into spring items. The noise. So I'm not sure what's in here. I think I only kept one item from the preview. You do get a preview. I don't know, does everybody get a preview now? I think you do. You can pick 5 items, or you could just pick less than 5, and then the stylist will fill your box with other items that they think will work for you. My stylist this time is Frances. I don't think I've had Frances before. I think they keep rotating me because I'm not getting what I want. But I don't know. These don't look like spring colors. Well, this one does. That's kind of, well, I guess those two do. Pair of jeans. I don't really need jeans, but if they fit really well, they will be a keeper. So we'll see what these are like. And I have a pair of shoes. Let's see what these are all about. Let's see. What can I tell you? Okay, Stitch Fix has a styling fee of $25, or not $25, $20. And if you use my referral code, for your first box, we each receive a $25 credit to be used. I think theirs is on your next box, but I'm not exactly sure. So, check their website. Oh, look at this. Okay, they look like they're a knit. I like that they're white. The problem is that they are a hard sole. And a lot of you know I have bad feet, so I don't know how a hard sole. They have to be able to give, like walking shoes. I'm not sure if these will do that, but I'll try them on and see. Okay. Also with Stitch Fix, you get a styling sheet. So it kind of gives you an idea of the items that are in your box, how you might want to style them. And honestly, I normally don't pay attention to that because what I look at, do I like the item? And if I like the item, I'll look to see how they styled it, or I'll just look what's in my closet and style it, wear it with something I have that I like. That's just me, but it's nice that they provide this because I know there's a lot of people that use those. Okay, is this backwards? Wait a minute. I think it goes this way. Is that right? I think so. So it's very lightweight. The material feels great. So yeah, I think that is the front. No, I'm wrong. That's the back because here's the tag. Okay, so it looks like it's a high neck. And it's longer. It looks like, well, that's cute. Look at the edge. That's really pretty. The print is pretty. That's a really pretty, it looks blue. Flowers, and you get the same detail. I want to say that's embroidery. I don't know. What do I know? That's why I get the boxes. I don't know. That's interesting. It's lightweight. It probably look really cute on. The other thing you get with Stitch Fix is your invoice. Yeah, that's the ugly part. Oh, this box is $467 before any discounts. If you keep all 5 items, you receive a 25% discount that they call a buy all discount. Yikes, $467. And there's a $20 styling fee, which I have the style pass, so I don't have the styling fee. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. This is like a cream cardigan. Look at that. That is nice. I like that. Huh. That's pretty cute. Okay. I like this. Look at that. That's nice. No pockets. Oh, it looks like it's pointy in the front, but we'll see. We'll see how it hangs. I don't know. That's pretty promising. I like that. Pair of jeans. These are by Democracy. And I think I probably have these. Oh, I like the little distressing, but I like these. Oh, is that bell bottom? That looks bigger than Bootcut to me. I don't know. Pretty solid in the back. I like the wash on them. The Absolution Itty Bitty Boot Cut. Yes, I have these because look at the band on these. Love, love, love this band. This band is your friend. If you have gained some weight and it's like everything else fits, but the waist is just, you're just oozing out of it, this band is your friend. Yep, it goes with you. And I can sit down and there's nothing, you know, showing back there, if you know what I mean. So if these fit, I love that fit. I love those. Okay, what is this? This feels heavy. That's kind of cute. Nick and Zoe. It's heavy though. This is not spring to me. It is a dress. Okay, this could be really cute. Wait, if you style it right. But it's so heavy. I can't imagine me wearing this in the summer or even the spring with bare legs. I don't know. But it's got little detail in the back, just in case I forget to show you. Okay, that's interesting. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, that's the tag. I tried to tape it underneath the collar. This is the Nick and Zoe denim day dress in indigo. It's $168. Okay, it surprised me when I put it on. I'm like, wow, this is kind of cute. I am wearing a size medium, which I think is too big for me. So a small would fit better. But with that said, this is not for me. It's a thicker material. It is like with the long sleeves, it's thick, it's a denim. It's just too hot for me to wear in the spring. I wish it had some darts or something to help, you know, give you a little bit of shape. It has the little, let's see, what are these? White buttons. And you know, this white stitching. I like the pocket, the collar. I mean, this is really cute. It really is, but it's just not for me for spring. So I rolled the sleeves up. They button here. I don't know. I don't know what to say. It has some fringe on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is longer in the back. It's a good length for me. The detail in the back. See, it's so big. Look at that. This just pokes out. I could see this just wearing it open and wearing it as a jacket. That might be cute. Even this is just too big. A size medium is too big for me. So, but that might really look cute with a pair of jeans and, you know, some type of t-shirt underneath or something. Let me give you a closer look. I mean, it's just not for me, especially $168. All right, let's talk about these shoes. These shoes are a no because they, like I said, they don't give like walking shoes do. They are by Greats. They're called the Royale sneaker. They're $119. Here they are. It looks like they're a knit on top. I mean, they're really cute. They are, but they're not for me, unfortunately. And the fit, I wear a 7 and they feel great. Actually, I feel like they might have a little bit of room in them. But these are going back and so is the dress. So let's try the jeans on and that shirt. I don't know what to call it. I can't remember what it's called. It has the little detail on the edges. Let's see how cute that is. Okay, just let me say, this top intrigues me very much, and I am shocked I wish it had a different neckline, but I love the sleeves, the fun sleeves with the crocheting around it, the lightness of it, the front. I mean, the crocheting goes all the way around, but the front is shorter than the back. Look how, I love the way it lays. I like the fun sleeves. It's pretty interesting. It's by PAPERMOON. It's called the Crochet Detail Top. It's $44 and I am wearing a size small. So it's 100% rayon. Now rayon gets wrinkled, right? And I think it shrinks, but I'm not sure. So let me know. I don't know. I'm very intrigued by this. I just wish it had a different neckline to where it was either the boat neck or it had a V in it or something. I just feel very covered up and I don't like to feel real covered up in the spring and summer. So I don't know, it's so cute. Who would have known? And the print is flowers, look at that. And I usually don't wear flowers. So, it's cute, $44. I don't know if I'll reach for it. I mean, it kind of feels like it slides up a little bit, but you know, I'm just standing here. You can pick apart anything. You start feeling it all. I think it looks good with the jeans, but it would look so cute with shorts and some sandals. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I know it's not something I typically would wear, and I'm trying to just kind of think outside the box. And $44, is it worth $44? I don't know. But I mean, at least it's not their typical like $68 or whatever. I don't know. It's kind of cute, ladies. What do you think? It's kind of fun. All right, let's talk about these jeans. Okay, I do have these jeans. Love them. And these fit a little more snug, probably because I've stretched mine out, but that's okay. So these are the Democracy Catherine Bootcut Distressed Jeans, and I think they're called the Itty Bitty jeans. Let me see. Let's get all the tags out of the pocket. Oh, curve. Absolute itty bitty. Mold and hold, ladies. That's what we like. These are great length. I'm 5'4". Let me back up for you. The distressing is throwing me off a little bit. I keep thinking I have a piece of string there. They're $78, which is very typical. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size 8? I wear them with my heels that I absolutely love from Clark's, but you can't get them anymore. Of course, it has the pockets in the back. Oh, stretch. Lots of stretch. Yeah, I think I might keep I don't know. I mean, that distressing is kind of throwing me off right here. Wonder if I could exchange them for a pair without distressing. Yeah, doesn't that look odd? Because that's only 2 places. Okay, I like them. I'm going to see if I can exchange these for a pair that aren't distressed. So let's try on the last item. Oh, wait, I'm going to try on the dress as a jacket. Here it is. I unbuttoned everything. I'm not going to be able to hold the sleeves down. Let's see how this looks with, okay, darn tag. Oh, my tape's on it. Oh well. Let's see. I wish it had pockets. I feel like it needs pockets on the side. I don't know. I kind of like it better as like a jacket because it's heavy enough with the right top. Maybe with a pair of white jeans. I don't know. No, I mean, I'm not keeping it. Not for, what did I say? How much this was? 168 or something crazy like that. No, thank you. All right, let me try on the last item. Okay, this is by 41 Hawthorn, and it is the open stitch cardigan, $58. It's cute. It's like an off-white. Sleeves, like this one feels a little short. They're kind of loose right here. I don't know. It points down, kind of like what I was suspecting. No pockets or anything. It doesn't excite me. This is size small. So it's just, you know, it's just okay. So I don't like it for $58. Plus I have two others that are similar, which this one I love. I wear this all the time in the summer. Actually has a hood, and I'm not a hood person, but I seem to have quite a few things with hoods. This was actually from Stitch Fix that I saw on another channel. So this I love. I like that. I like this a whole lot better than this one. And then I also have this one. It's kind of open, but longer. So this is from Target from a couple years ago. So I don't think I really need this or want this. So this is going to go back. So the only thing that I am considering keeping are the jeans, but only if I can exchange them for a pair that are not distressed, which I don't know if they'll allow me to do that, but we'll see. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.